Hey, it's Andre from Notum here. Have you already had time to play around with the beta version of Strapi v5? We did, and we think it's great. So we tried migrating one of our production projects to it just to see what the process is like. And here are 10 things that we learned along the way. The upgrade tool didn't work for us. When we tried to use it as instructed by the documentation, we received an error stating that we were already on the latest major version. If you use plugins that are not maintained by the Strapi team, the v5 versions of those plugins will not likely be available yet. You'll need to uninstall them, otherwise the app might not even start up. If your project has a monorepo setup, v5 might have issues running in it. That's exactly what happened to us. Many of the imports for types and various functions will need to be adjusted as they are now exported from different locations or not exported at all. When v5 is run for the first time with a database from v4, it automatically performs migrations, which seem to work great. There are a couple of changes in the database. Document IDs are used instead of just IDs, and the table names are shortened. If you use Entity Service API anywhere in your project, it needs to be migrated to the Document Service API. Some parts didn't work really well in beta, for example, lifecycles that need to be migrated as well. When we updated a document, the after update lifecycle was not even triggered, and also the permissions seemed to be broken a bit, even though when we checked in the database, everything appears to be set up correctly. Your frontend has to be adjusted as well to accommodate the flatter response from the API, and it should now send the document ID instead of just ID in the requests. The documentation is great. There is a resource describing breaking changes in the detail, and it also instructs you what to do, so be sure to check out. The link is in the description. That's it. Those are the takeaways from our test migration of this really simple project. If you have any more questions about the migration process, feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to chat. See you in the next video.